Hey guys, welcome back again to another interesting video. Today we are going to whip up a delicious beef burger recipe that is sure to satisfy your taste buds. It is super delicious and easy to make as well. So guys, if you are interested, please continue watching and of course trust the process. Now let's jump right into the video. First, we will need some ground beef, and here it is guys. I'm using 500 grams of it. This is actually the star ingredient to this recipe. Now to enhance the flavor, we'll be adding some peri-peri seasoning. Next is some salt. As for the peri-peri seasoning, you can substitute it to your seasoning and pepper flakes, okay? Next is your ground ginger and your powdered garlic. A teaspoon of each is fine. Now, go ahead and mix everything together. Stir to well combine. Hello, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome to Omaspot, where we share easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, small chops and snacks, and lots more. So guys, if it sounds like something you're looking at for or interested in, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe and be part of this amazing, beautiful family. Thank you. Okay guys, at this point we're done mixing. As you can see, everything is well combined. Now it is time to fold them into balls. Yes. Now you grease your hand with some oil, okay? Scoop some and rub it all around, okay? Just like you're watching me. Use your both hands. Can you see what I just did? Scoop the ground beef onto your pan and break them together using your both palms just to form a ball shape. Alright guys, we are done. The next thing to do is to put it aside while we prep other ingredients, okay? So in here we've got one big size onions and one big size fresh tomato. Now we are going to cut them up roundly, okay? Cut them into round shape. Just watch how I do it. Make sure before you transfer on your chopping board, wash them thoroughly, okay? Wash them thoroughly before transferring on your chop board. This is what we have, guys. We're done cutting the tomato. Next is to cut up the onions, the same shape, okay? This is going to be our toppings for this recipe. Though we've got others, okay? Just keep watching. So guys, we'll be making single and not double, alright? So just keep watching, okay? And see how everything unfolds. Now guys, we're done slicing our vegetables and look at how they are looking beautiful. Now we are going to put them aside. Still on meal prepping. Now guys, moving on to the next step. It is time to mix up our cream or sauce, okay? It is time to get it ready. Now in a plate, dry plate or your glass, go in with your mayonnaise, reasonable amount of your mayonnaise. Next is kebab spice, your soya spice. You can use your ketchup, okay? I'm using it in place of ketchup. Next thing to add is a teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we are going in with our black pepper. You can substitute it to hot sauce, yes, just to give it some hotness. Now we are going in with our parsley, yes, the dry one. Next, go on and squeeze in some little amount of your lemon juice, okay? You can skip the lemon if you have mustard sauce, alright? A teaspoon of it is fine. Next thing to do is to stir everything together. Mix it up together until it is well combined. Let me seize this medium to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Alright, guys, we just added some honey, okay? 2 tablespoons of honey. Guys, afterwards, you go ahead and mix it in. Guys, it is looking good already. Look at that. Very creamy and tastes nice. At this point, everything is well mixed, as you can see, guys. Now we are going to put it aside as well. Alright? Now it is time to go into the main cooking. In a pan, splash in some oil, okay? A little amount of oil, and place your meatballs on it. So it is time to get our pies ready. Now go ahead and press it down just like this. Use whatever that is convenient for you, okay? And press the meatballs down, just like you're watching me do, all right? Now moving to the next one, gently press it down like this, okay? Yes, do it gently. Now we're going to allow it to fry, okay? And please, if you really want to save time, you can do your preppings, like prep your toppings while your beef is cooking. If you notice we did that earlier, yes, that's because we wanted our meat or our beef to marinate a bit, okay? So it's just on you. Whichever way that is convenient for you, please, by all means. This is us checking back again. We are flipping the other side. We're just making sure that it is well cooked, okay? Of course, you can recognize a well-cooked beef, right? So that is just the goal. Now go in with the diced onions, the one we prepped earlier, okay? We're going to allow it to heat up a bit. While we continue checking on our beef, you need to keep an eye on it. Do not allow it to burn, all right? Now, checking back, at this point, our onions is okay, so we're going to scoop it out. This is how I want it, looking caramelized, though not completely. Yes, so you're free to do it the way you want, right? Now, it is time to place in our burger buns, just to toast it a bit, okay? So in that same pan, just make a room and put it there. Remember to spread in some butter before toasting, okay? So this is how you'll continue until you are through with the burger buns, right? Now, at this point, our beef is ready. Now, get your sliced cheddar cheese and place it on top of each of the beef, all right? And cover to dissolve. Now, moving on, it is time to assemble our burger. So, get your toasted buns, go in with your lettuce, next your tomatoes. We are going in with our caramelized onions, yes. Now it's time for our patties and we are checking on it. Look at how it is looking. So you grab it and place it right there on top of it. So guys, we're making single, like I said earlier. So we're going to be placing one of our meatballs on each. If you're making double, that is 2 on each. Now top again with some lettuce and your tomatoes. Now get your cream. Spread it all over the buns cover, all right? And cover it up. Now, the next one, be generous with your cream, okay? Unless you do not like cream. This cream is something else, guys. So be generous with it. Now, spread it all over and cover it. And there you have it, guys. A mouth-watering, delicious beef burger recipe is set. Tell me you are not salivating. Guys, tell me. This recipe is very simple and it came out very, very tasty and delicious. Please give it a go, all right? Now it is testing time. You test with me as always. Guys, this is looking delicious. Oh my. Yummy. Now let's have a bite. It tasted super good, guys. Not only does it look good, it tasted good. And we've come to the end of today's recipe. If you found it interesting, please go ahead, like, follow, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye-bye.